Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create QR code in Google Form. Now for me, I have drafted out what I want my Google Form to look like, but you can go ahead, put the title of your form, get in there the question you want to be asked, and then put the answers to your question. It can be multiple choices or just a singular choice. Now after doing this, in order to create your QR code, you have to click on the send button at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then guys, you are going to be clicking on the link icon over here. I'm just going to tap on shorten URL, and then I'm going to copy this. Now we're going to be going to Canva. Whether you believe it or not, Canva is the fastest way to create your QR code. Now guys, when you get to Canva, you are going to be clicking on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, and you're going to be clicking on customize size. Now you're going to be putting 10 by 80 over 10 by 80, that's the size, and then we're going to be clicking on create design. Now it's going to get us over here. You want to scroll over to where you see apps, and then I'll be tapping on my apps. Click on the search bar and then type QR code and tap on it. Now I'm going to be tapping on the first option here. It's going to be asking for your URL. Now remember the shortened URL we copied. I'm going to be pasting it over there and say generate code. Now this is the code it has generated. All you need to do is to enlarge this to fit your screen. Now make it to be the size of your screen, and that is all. Now guys, all you need to do now is to click on the download icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then we are going to be saving this image. So my phone has a feature where you can actually use the QR code scanner. So I'm just going to tap on scan QR code, click on the exact QR code that I want it to scan. Done. Now let's see if this actually takes us to the Google Docs. Open link. And guys, as you can see, this is the question that we drafted out on our Google form. Now this is exactly how you can create QR code on your Google form. Now I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.